All right, here we are again with another episode of Not a Mechanic. We have a little dilemma. Our church has a MEINL Cajon drum set, and we keep busting the cable. I've already taken it off of this one, so here's the cable housing, and we keep busting the cable that goes inside of this. The problem is there's no way to put another cable down in it, just regular steel braided cable from Home Depot. And the other issue is it doesn't look like they make this part anymore, or I couldn't find it readily, and we need this for this Sunday. So what I'm going to do is attempt to take this apart and replace that cable with a standard bike brake cable and see if it works. I am going to have to clip the end off of one of these, but it looks like it's Teflon coated, so it should stay together to let me put it through some of the connections on the pedal. So I'm gonna get started on this. I'll come back, let you know how it went. Okay, so here's the actual cable housing that goes on this thing. Now it comes apart on each end just by unscrewing it. And then the cable goes into this little housing. Whoops, cable goes into this little rubber housing that pulls out. So I'm going to have to reuse this and see if I can't get the bike cable to go in through this, and we'll see if it works. If it does, it's going to save me a lot of money and time waiting for replacement parts that don't seem to exist anymore, so I can just run down to the Dick's Sporting Goods and buy a brake cable and replace it if it breaks again. All right, so I got lucky here. I had bought just the stainless brake cable as one of the options to try, and when I took it out and I cut the stop off the end, this stuff is vinyl coated just like the old cable in this, so I was able to slide it right into the old housing. It came out. This is going to work. I'm not going to have to do anything else because this is really the only piece that needs to be replaced is the broken steel cable, but typically you have to buy it and order it. But that was $3, much cheaper than waiting for one to come from the non-existent carrier of the product anymore. So we're going to be good to go. I'll get this thing back together here. I am going to have to put a stop on one end, and I have some ferrules that I'm going to swage on, the stop that I'm going to swage on to the other end of this once I get it through, and we're good to go. All right, so got it all back together again. Going to have Daniel here. Say hi, Daniel. Gonna have Daniel work the foot pedal, and let's see how it goes. All right, just as good as the old cable. So it looks like that $3 bicycle steel cable replacement was the trick. We're gonna go with that. Cool, talk to you guys later.